we are going to see how we can create data tables and also how we can use them in our project. Basically, data tables are just plugins that turn a normal HTML table into a super interactive one with features like search. You can see like this is a data table. I used data table to come up with this table. You can see that it has a powerful search where you can type and it will filter. Then it also comes with pagination where you can move from one page to another, just like you can see that you can move from one page to another. You can click next, you can click previous. So it also comes with column sorting, just like you see here that we can say we want 10 columns to display. We can as well say we want 25, and where the moment you choose that number, it's the same number of rows that will be displayed here. So it is also responsive, like it fits on all screens of all resolutions, be it a mobile screen, a tablet screen, and desktop screen. So without wasting time, let's see how we can come up with such a table. So I'm going to create a folder. Let me create a folder here and name it data table. It is in my downloads. So I'm going to open my terminal and navigate to that folder. Let me navigate into that folder. Downloads. Our folder is called data table. So I'm going to open it, and then I'm going to open it in code VS Code by typing code space full stop, and it will open in VS Code. Then I'm going to create a file. Can give it any name you want. I'm going to name it index.html like this. Then I'm going, of course, to put the structure of HTML by pressing the exclamation mark and then press enter. Then I go to my browser and I go to data table website. I open it, and then so what we are going to do, we are going to come to examples. When you come to examples, we are going to come and say zero configuration. Then when you say, and now when you come to zero configuration, you can see that here they are going to give us a sample of the table you are going to create, and you can see that you can even try it here. You can try searching, you can try sorting, and others. Let me leave it to 10. So I'm going to include HTML, I mean CSS link and JavaScript link, but then you have also to include the jQuery link. So I'm going to begin with CSS. It is provided here. So I will copy it like this. Come to my code editor, type in link, then I place it here. Then I'll come down just above the body tag, the closing body tag, and I put script source. Then I'll come and begin with, you come to GSS, JavaScript, then you begin with the jQuery, copy link address. I'll come here and paste it here. I will as well put another script source, come and copy this data table link here. So now you have to make sure that this jQuery is above the data table link. If you place this one above this one, it will not work. It should be like the way it is provided in the website. Then I'm going to come to HTML and copy the code. You can see that the code is provided. So I will copy the entire code like so. I'll copy it, then come and paste it just above the jQuery link. And now when we open this one, when we open this in our browser, okay, let's open it in our browser. You see, I'm going to open it. Now you can see that we are now beginning to have something that is similar to what we had the other time, but you can see that we don't have lines, we don't have such a functionality and others. So now the next part is actually very simple. I'm going to come and there is a JavaScript code that we need to paste there. And when you come to JavaScript, you can see it is just here. You just copy it, you come to your editor, then we are going to come here, we put script, or you can as well create a new JavaScript file and you paste it here. But me, I'm going to use create it within that HTML file. So I have created it. I have pasted the code. So if I come back to my document and I refresh, now you can see that we have our data table effective. So now you can see that we can start sorting. We can search. You can see that it's doing everything. So we can go to another page. Let me put it back to 10. And so that you can go to another page and you can as well come back to the previous page. That's all about a data table and how you can use them. So you can see that it somehow saves time. It's easier doing this compared to someone who's going to type everything. You type the GS and CSS and the HTML.